Question number 1. Which instrument is used to monitor fetal heart rate during labor? The correct option is C. Petoscope. Question number 2. Which of the following is a tocolytic drug used to delay preterm labor? The correct option is A. Nifedipine. Question number 3. A mother with Rh negative blood and an Rh positive fetus is at risk of? The correct option is D. Erythroblastosis petalis. Question number 4. Which hormone triggers milk letdown reflex during breastfeeding? The correct option is C. Oxytocin. Question number 5. Which reflex helps the baby to suck when the cheek is touched? The correct option is C. Rotting reflex. Question number 6. Which complication is most associated with oligohydramnios? The correct option is D. Renal anomalies. Question number 7. Which condition is a contradiction for breastfeeding? The correct option is A. HIV positive mother. Question number 8. What is the average duration of the puriform period? The correct option is B. 6 weeks. Question number 9. What is the priority nursing action after birth? The correct option is C. Clear airways. Question number 10. What is the usual presentation in normal delivery? The correct option is B. Cephalic presentation. Question number 11. Which of the following is an early sign of pregnancy? The correct option is A. Amenorrhea. Question number 12. Which test is used to detect fetal well-being through fetal movement? The correct option is B. Kick count. Question number 13. The best position for a mother during labor with quad prolapse is? The correct option is A. Knee to chest position. Question number 14. Which sign is considered a probable sign of pregnancy? The correct option is B. Chadwick's sign. Question number 15. What is the term for the first fetal moment felt by the mother? The correct option is C. Quickening. Question number 16. Which complication is most common with prolonged rupture of membrane? The correct option is A. Infection. Question number 17. Which reflex helps the newborn to breastfeed? The correct option is C. Rotting reflex. Question number 18. Which factor most influence uterine involution after delivery? The correct option is D. Breastfeeding. Question number 19. Which test is done at 24 to 28 weeks to screen gestational diabetes? The correct option is B. Glucose challenge test. Question number 20. Which condition is screened with the heel prick test in neonates? The correct option is D. Hypothyroidism. Question number 21. A baby not passing meconium within 24 hours may have. The correct option is C. Hirschsprung's disease. Question number 22. Which vaccine is contradicted in pregnancy? The correct option is A. MMR vaccine. Question number 23. Which is the most serious complication of eclampsia? The correct option is B. Seizures. Question number 24. Which of the following is an essential amino acid in infant? The correct option is C. Histidine. Question number 25. What is the most critical time for fetal organ development? The correct option is B. First trimester. Question number 26. Which of the following is the most effective sign of true labor? The correct option is C. Cervical dilation. Question number 27. What is the average blood loss during normal vaginal delivery? The correct option is A. 2500 milliliter. Question number 28. Which fetal position is considered normal? The correct option is C. Left occiput anterior. Question number 29. What is the most accurate method for assessing fetal well-being? The correct option is B. Ultrasound. Question number 30. Which is the best indicator of fetal well-being during labor? The correct option is C. Fetal heart rate. Question number 31. The most common type of female pelvis is? The correct option is B. Gynecoid. Question number 32. Which infection is commonly screened in the first trimester? The correct option is C. Rubella. Question number 33. What is the main danger of placenta previa? The correct option is the antepartum hemorrhage. Question number 34. Which method confirms rupture of membranes? The correct option is C. Nitrazine test. Question number 35. Which scoring system assesses cervical readiness for labor? The correct option is B. Bishop scores. Question number 36. The bundle height at 20 weeks of gestation is expected at? The correct option is A. Umbilicus. Question number 37. What is the most common cause of neonatal sepsis? The correct option is B. Group B. Streptococcus. Question number 38. Which maneuver is used to identify fetal lie in presentation? The correct option is A. Lefauld's presentation. Question number 39. Which sign is a softening of cervix in early pregnancy? The correct option is B. Goodwill's sign. Question number 40. What is the most serious complication of gestational diabetes? The correct option is C. Macrosomia. Question number 41. Which reflex is seen when a baby turns to its head toward touch on the cheek? The correct option is B. Rotting reflex. Question number 42. What is the leading cause of maternal mortality globally? The correct option is D. Hemorrhage. Question number 43. Which tool is used to monitor labor progress? The correct option is C. Photograph. Question number 44. Which position is most appropriate for a woman in second stage of labor? The correct option is C. Lithotomy. Question number 45. Which hormone maintains the endometrium in early pregnancy? The correct option is B. Progesterone. Question number 46. Which structure is responsible for producing HCG during pregnancy? The correct option is A. Placenta. Question number 47. What is the average blood loss during normal vaginal delivery? The correct option is C. 500 milliliter. Question number 48. What is a probable sign of pregnancy? The correct option is A. Amenorrhea. Question number 49. The most common cause of infertility in females is? The correct option is B. Anevolution. Question number 50. Vitamin K injection at birth is given to prevent? The correct option is A. Hemorrhagic disease. Question number 51. Best method to confirm pregnancy and 6 weeks. The correct option is B. Ultrasound. Question number 52. Full term baby's head circumference. The correct option is B. 35 centimeter. Question number 53. Which of the following vaccines is given at birth? The correct option is C. BCG vaccine. Question number 54. Which condition is characterized by absence of menstrual bleeding? The correct option is C. Anuria. Question number 55. The most common cause of postpartum hemorrhage is? The correct option is B. Uterine anatomy. Question number 56. What is the expected weight gain in the first trimester of pregnancy? The correct option is B. 1 to 2 kg. Question number 57. Which reflex helps a newborn to point the nipple? The correct option is A. Rotting reflex. Question number 58. Which of the following is not a danger sign in pregnancy? The correct option is C. Fetal movement. Question number 59. Which immunization is given to prevent neonatal tetanus? The correct option is the tetanus toxide. Question number 60. What does colostrum contains in high amount? The correct option is B. Antibodies.